Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Tyler Tolbert from Smile Now Dental Group. Let's talk about something most dentists don't bring up, but every patient needs to hear. What does it actually cost you to do nothing about your smile? I'm not talking about money right now. I'm talking about what it costs you in confidence, comfort, health, and quality of life when you put this off year after year. Because we see it every day. People who waited 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, and they all say the same thing. I wish I had done this sooner. Today, I'm going to break down what really happens when you don't take action, why waiting almost always makes things harder and more expensive, and how doing something now before things get worse can change your entire future. It starts with one tooth. Most patients don't wake up one day needing a full arch. It usually starts small, a broken molar, a missing tooth in the back, a crown that failed, a little discomfort you learn to just live with. And in the moment, it feels easier to do nothing. You're busy, money's tight, you're managing. So long as the pain eventually goes away, we're content to just carry on with our lives. But here's the truth. Doing nothing is a decision, and it sets off a slow domino effect that can take years off your smile and your life. Let's break it down. First of all, there's bone loss. The moment you lose a tooth, your body starts reabsorbing the bone underneath. Over time, this bone loss makes future implant placement harder or sometimes impossible without extra surgeries, shifting and stress on the remaining teeth. When teeth are missing, the ones around them take on more force than they're designed for. That leads to cracks, loose teeth, bite misalignment, and more extractions. One missing tooth becomes 3, then 5, then 10. What we see most commonly is that people will lose their back teeth first, and that forces all the pressure onto the front teeth, which aren't really designed to be carrying that type of load. At that point, it's not long before things start getting desperate. Also, facial collapse. As your bone shrinks, the lower third of your face starts to collapse inward. Your lips fold, your cheeks sag, and you can look 10 to 15 years older, sometimes in just a few years. The emotional weight. You're avoiding photos, avoiding conversations, avoiding smiling or leaving the house. This toll takes so much from you, your confidence, your relationships, and your self-esteem. It's massive and it's real. Increased cost and complexity. When you delay, everything gets more complicated. More bone grafting, more surgery, more time, more money. We've seen people who could have done a single implant 5 years ago, now needing a full arch simply because they weren't proactive about their treatment. It's not just about teeth, it's about life. When your smile is broken, painful, or incomplete, you hold back. From food, from people, from experiences, from joy. When you finally fix it, you realize how much life you've been missing. We've had patients say, I didn't know how much I had adapted until I didn't have to anymore. This changed everything about how I feel. You don't need to have everything perfect to get started. In fact, most of the patients we treat waited until they couldn't wait anymore. But here's the thing, the earlier you act, the more options you have. The better your bone, the simpler your treatment, the more natural your final result. And yes, the more affordable it is in the long run. We make it doable. Wherever you're starting from at Smile Now, we're not here to just guilt you. We're here to help you move forward, no matter where you're at. So we offer free consultations, real transparent pricing, flexible financing, long-term planning if you're not ready yet, and zero judgment. Whether you're missing one tooth or all of them, whether you've waited 6 months or 16 years, you're not too late, but don't wait another year just to decide. If you've been putting this off because of fear, cost, time, or life just getting in the way, this is your sign to take the first step. Click the link in the description below to schedule your free consultation at Smile Now Dental Group. There's no pressure, just a conversation and a plan to stop the downward spiral and take back control of your health and confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real talk about dental implants and what it actually takes to change your smile and your life. We'll see you in the next video.